Ever wondered how important wildlife habitats in our backyards could be? These havens are more than just visually appealing. They serve as a sanctuary for local wildlife, offering shelter and food. They promote biodiversity, adding a variety of life forms to our immediate environment. And by doing so, they help balance our local ecosystems, contributing to nature's cycle. So, they're not just for our viewing pleasure, they're an integral part of our environment. Creating your own backyard wildlife habitat is easier than you might think. Ready to invite nature in? Here's how you can create your very own backyard wildlife habitat. Let's start with the 4 essential elements: food, water, shelter, and a place for wildlife to raise their young. Food can come from native plants, which are perfect for local birds and insects. These plants are adapted to your region's climate and soil, making them easy to maintain. You can also supplement with bird feeders filled with seeds. Next up, water. A simple bird bath can serve as a watering hole. Remember to clean it regularly to prevent the spread of disease. For shelter, consider installing a few nest boxes. These can provide safe havens for birds to rest and raise their young. Also, let some parts of your garden grow wild. This will offer additional shelter and breeding grounds for a variety of creatures. See? With a little effort, you can create a sanctuary for local wildlife right in your backyard. Now that you know how to create a backyard wildlife habitat, why not give it a try? This is your chance to make a positive impact on our environment while relishing the beauty and tranquility of nature. Picture the birds chirping, bees buzzing, and butterflies fluttering right in your backyard. It's a rewarding experience that awaits just a few steps from your back door. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and start inviting nature in today.